Hello, welcome. Let us discuss about Generative Adversarial Network or GAN. A GAN is an AI system made up of two neural networks competing with each other. It is like one generator which creates the data, another one is discriminator which detects whether its data is fake or not. Here generators creates the fake data like photos, and here discriminator checks whether it is real or fake. They keep challenging each other until the fake data looks like real. Let us understand GAN with a real life analogy. Imagine there is a chef who creates the dishes, who is a generator, and there is a food critic who evaluates the dishes. The chef tries to recreate the dishes from a famous restaurant. Here, food critic tastes each dish and decides whether it is from the real restaurant or not. Over a time, what happens is chef gets better at flavor, texture, and presentation. Also, critic gets better in detecting whether this is from the real restaurant or not. Eventually, the chef is able to create a dish which is indistinguishable from the original dish from the restaurant. This is how GAN works. One is generator, another one is discriminator. Let us understand the workflow of GAN. Initially, generator generates the fake data like fake images. Then discriminator tries to tell whether the image is real or fake. Then the competition, that is compete and learn. Generator learns to fool the discriminator and discriminator learns to detect the fake images. Here compete and learn, both generator and discriminator will improve at their task. Generator will improve in data creation, look like almost real. Also, the discriminator will improve in detecting the fake data. Here next thing is iterate the training. It means these steps continue again and again until the generated data looks almost real. This is the flow. It means these three steps 1, 2 and 3 will continue in loops. Let us understand some of the real life examples of GAN. You might have seen an example of image generation. Let me open one sample website which will generate the images randomly. Here I have opened the website called person does not exist. This photo looks like a real person, but this person does not exist. And as soon as I refresh, again another face will get generated. Again person looks like a real, but this is a AI generated image. This is an example of GAN. Generate us the realistic face, right? Another real life use case of GAN can be fashion design, generate a new clothing style or makeup ideas. Another use case of GAN can be AI art creation. Tools like DAL-E use GAN-like system to create a artistic images. Another use case of GAN can be medical imaging. Create synthetic X-rays for training the doctors without real patient data. Also, GAN can be used in architecture and design, generate floor plans or layouts for houses and buildings. And GAN can also be used in deepfakes, swap the faces or voices in video, which are used both ethically and unethically. So this is about GAN, Generative Adversarial Network. Thank you for watching.